In this tutorial we will learn how to make a bird spirit bracelet. Before starting the video, we request you to like and share our video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, thank you. So let's start the video. First take two 60 centimeters long, 15 strands thread, fold in half. In the middle position, take 3 strands of thread and make a short winding. The winding needs to be about 2.5 centimeters long. Cut the thread and tighten the winding. Cut the excess thread and burn it. Then use the 2 outermost wires to tie 2 coarse-spun snake knots to secure the coil. After finishing, clamp the coil part and fix the thread as the axis. Take another 150 centimeters long thread and fold it in half. And hang it on the axis in the form of a sparrow's head knot. Then the 2 threads are placed on the axis respectively, and then each is tied with half a sparrow head knot. After the thread is hung, push it upward to tighten. Take another 200 centimeters long thread and hang it on the axis in the same way. Finally, hang another 250 centimeters long thread in the same way. Then measure the top 2 threads as the axis. And tie the remaining threads with a set of diagonal curling knots on the axis. One row is done, and then the top line is used as the axis. The remaining threads are wound and tied with diagonal knots. Keep braiding until the last one. After all the threads are tied with diagonal curls, pull the thread from below the axis to the left-hand side. Then tie a set of left oblique curling knots on the axis. Be sure to tighten the knot when tying it. All lines are now to the left of the axis. Then start from the top line and make axis lines separately. The remaining threads are wound and tied obliquely on the axis. Keep braiding in the same way until the last one. Then pull all the lines from below the axis to the right-hand side. Each winding wire is tied with a set of right diagonal knots on the axis. Keep knitting in this way until the length of your wrist. Cut off excess thread and burn it. Tie 2 coarse-spun scannock knots at the end. Cut the excess thread and burn it. Put a bead on at the end. Again, tie a snake knot to secure. Cut off the thread, and then burn and stitch. This beautiful bird spirit bracelet is ready. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for encouragement.